Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be talking about toast. We'll be talking about toast. I must be honest, I've only got 17 seconds of footage, so I might be padding this one out a little bit with random food. I hope you enjoy. First up, we have this. As you can see, there are some vertical lines in the background. Now, they're probably not a good thing. It's interesting that it shows up on certain colours more than others. Here it is slowed down. And no, this isn't running as a PAL console. It was a Japanese unit. Actually, it's pretty close to how fast it runs on a PAL unit. Painful, but as you can see there in slow motion, so that's slowed down by 50%, those lines are still there. Bit of a problem, probably the video encoder. I don't actually know what happened to this. Here's intermission. Delicious. So these are vegan foods, mostly vegan anyway. Fungus nuggets there, sweet potato chips, one of my favourites. Oh, vegan schnitzel. It's gone too quick. Should have set it to more than 4 seconds per slide. It's too late now, I'm doing the voiceover. It's mostly corn. That's something else. That's another one. Anyway, back to the real work. So here's my second clip. As you can see, those purple hills, they are not having a good time. Let's slow it down to 1/4 speed. Wow. You can really see those vertical lines. They are definitely there. God, this really is a video about nothing. Why did I keep this footage? That's it. That's it, I'm done. And as always, thank you for watching. McRetro out.